Hi, I'm Aubrey from Aubrey Originals. Today I've got another unboxing video for you, because I'm slightly obsessed, it's fine, of the Brings May Flowers Cricut Mystery Box, which was released May 13th, 2021. I feel like this box was an amazing value and had some great variety in it. It was maybe even my favorite box yet. If you are new to Cricut Mystery Boxes, be sure to check out my blog post that goes through everything you need to know about them and how to get them, because they're very popular and tend to sell out pretty quick. From that blog post, you can also sign up for emails, and I will try my best to send out email notifications as soon as I happen to see a new Cricut Mystery Box available on their website, because you might as well benefit from my crazy stalking of the Cricut site, right? I will put a link to the blog post below, as well as links to all the items in this mystery box. If you like these videos and want to see more of them, please like the video with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's open this. The first item is a roll of removable vinyl, the Sunset Blossom Sampler. It has 3 different pink patterns. It's very fun and springy. Then a roll of patterned iron-on called the Wildflower collection. This actually came in the All You Need Is Love mystery box in January, so now I've got double of that, but it's a cute one, so I'll survive. Next, more removable vinyl, the Juneberry Sampler. There are 3 different floral patterns in this sampler, and I am loving all of them. So fun. This is iron-on vinyl, the Mini Midnight Floral Sampler. It should be just like regular iron-on, it's just cut smaller, which I actually don't mind because I'm constantly cutting up big pieces anyway. Next, some gel pens. This is the 1.0 Metallic Dark Petals set. Then a weeder tool. It's not a bad idea to have an extra on hand. There is a pack of Adhesive-Backed Deluxe paper called Always Spring. This is made for the Cricut Joy, but it works in any machine, it's just cut smaller. I'm excited to play around with that, and I will be sure to share any project ideas I have with you. This is the Spring Rain Sampler Pack of Felt. It has a variety of colors. I am so excited this came in the mystery box because I personally think Cricut felt is a little too expensive regularly, at least compared to the craft store, but I love felt. It's how I made the hats for my gnome Easter eggs. I've got several felt garland tutorials on my blog, lots of options. Next, a decorative self-healing mat. I love these mats. Just so you know, this does not go in your machine. It's made for hand cutting, so you can either use the TrueControl Knife or a rotary cutter. And finally, the Cricut Cutie. I always get so excited to add to my collection. This is the Concord Cutie. He is a gorgeous plum purple color. Even though this box was a true mystery for me, I did expect a cutie based on the price and because it was an Access exclusive box. That's it for this mystery box. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to start crafting with all these fun supplies. I'll be sure to share what I make with them when I actually get around to it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time.